This is the birth of the world's most expensive engineering project, a $750 billion tech fortress.
South Korea is building a semiconductor megacluster so massive, it will redefine global superpower dynamics.
Over 1,000 trillion won is being injected directly into this soil to construct 10 massive megafabs.
This isn't just construction, it's an all-out war for global microchip supremacy against all technological rivals.
To build the future, South Korea has assembled an army of elite workforce crews to achieve the impossible.
Hidden beneath the surface lies a complex network of infrastructure designed to survive any global crisis. Every single beam placed here is a direct challenge to the world's leading tech manufacturing giants. The scale is unprecedented, spanning miles of high-tech industrial architecture. This megacluster will integrate the entire global supply chain into one single, impenetrable geographic point. Ground zero for the next industrial revolution starts right here, right now. Step 1. Clearing millions of tons of ancient granite rock from the Wonsamyeon territory. Heavy machinery operates around the clock, tearing through the earth with unstoppable hydraulic power. Controlled blasting operations shatter the bedrock to pave the way for deep foundational pillars.
Advanced geological mapping ensures every square meter of Earth is stabilized against seismic activity. These men are anchoring the foundations of a facility that must remain perfectly motionless for atomic-scale manufacturing.
The sheer volume of Earth moved daily could rebuild the Great Pyramids in weeks. Underneath the mud, engineers are creating an artificial bedrock impervious to earthquakes.
No obstacle is permitted to delay the hyper-aggressive timeline set by the state.
The topography of Yongin is being permanently rewritten from the global map.
Precision at this scale requires absolute physical strength and mechanical perfection.
With the Earth cleared, the construction crews begin spinning the largest steel web ever created. Special high-durability thermal concrete blends are mixed on-site. They endure extreme industrial loads.
Over 10,000 steel-reinforced piles are driven deep into the earth to eliminate all micro-vibrations.
Every worker on this site is pushed to the absolute limit to meet the 2027 operational deadline. The skyline of Yongin is now dominated by a forest of iron and steel cranes. These foundations house complex air and liquid channels to dissipate massive industrial heat. Human precision guides the massive machines as the structure begins its vertical ascent. Millions of tons of specialized concrete are poured continuously without a single second of interruption. This indestructible platform is now ready to support the heaviest high-tech machinery on Earth. The base is secured. Now, the vertical fortress begins to climb. Operating a chip cluster of this magnitude requires an unimaginable amount of sheer electrical energy. SK Hynix alone demands a staggering 5.5 gigawatts of dedicated, uninterrupted electrical power. Elite power grid engineers work at extreme heights to connect the cluster directly to the national grid. Subterranean backup lines ensure that a power outage is statistically impossible.
A single millisecond of power fluctuation could destroy billions of dollars in delicate silicon wafers.
This is the largest redundant power grid ever constructed for a commercial enterprise. Advanced automated transformers stabilize the voltage down to the exact microvolt. Physical strength meets raw electrical engineering to fuel the heart of this technological giant. Every single watt is monitored by state-of-the-art artificial intelligence defense systems. The grid is alive, humming with the power of multiple small cities combined.
Beyond electricity, a semiconductor fab is an insatiable monster that consumes millions of gallons of water. The Ministry of Environment is constructing a massive network to deliver 600,000 tons of water daily.
Every single weld must be absolutely perfect to prevent catastrophic high-pressure leaks. This water must be purified until it becomes ultra-pure water, completely devoid of a single foreign atom. Automated valves regulate massive fluid pressure across the entire complex with absolute precision.
Highly advanced ecological systems ensure that nearly 90% of all industrial water is recycled and reused.
The pipeline infrastructure cuts through miles of terrain, establishing a permanent lifeline for the fabs. The human effort required to construct this unseen circulatory system is monumental. Huge underground reservoirs hold enough emergency water to keep the fabs running for weeks if necessary. The water is ready to flow, setting the stage for the rise of the megastructures. Now, the architecture of the first SK Hynix megafab begins to pierce the clouds. Standing as tall as a 50-story residential tower, this single building is an absolute architectural monolith. Special high-tensile steel alloys are used to support the immense weight of the upper cleanroom floors. These elite crews work at dizzying heights to build the world's most advanced industrial cathedral.
The entire multi-story steel skeleton is structurally isolated to prevent even the slightest external vibration from reaching the machines.
No breaks, no delays. Construction continues through the dead of night to meet the global tech demand. Raw human power is forging the shell that will protect mankind's most delicate technology. Once sealed, this building will become an impenetrable vault, isolated from the outside atmosphere. The roof alone houses an array of massive air filtration systems capable of cleaning entire storm systems. The shell of the SK Hynix monster is complete. The true engineering marvel now begins inside. Welcome to the clean room, a space thousands of times cleaner than an open-heart surgery operating room. Highly trained experts assemble the interior systems under strict sterilization protocols. Continuous laminar airflow to Vimel forces every single speck of microscopic dust out of the environment instantly. Thousands of HEPA and ULP filters work around the clock to trap particles smaller than a virus. Every material used inside must be completely inert, ensuring zero chemical outgassing. Overhead robotic monorails will transport delicate silicon wafers between machines without any human touch. Specialized photolithography light zones prevent unwanted chemical reactions on the sensitive silicon wafer. Ultra-pure chemical lines deliver exotic gases directly to the heart of the fabrication equipment.
Beneath the cleanroom lies the subfab, an underground labyrinth housing thousands of support pumps and lasers.
The world's cleanest environment is now fully prepared to house the most advanced machines known to science. The ultimate weapon arrives. The multi-million-dollar ASML twin-scan extreme ultraviolet lithography system. Moving this machine requires absolute physical precision. A single rough bump could ruin a $200 million asset. Global tech engineers work night and day to integrate this supreme technology into the South Korean cluster.
This is where the magic happens, carving billions of transistors onto a sliver of silicon smaller than a fingernail.
Yongin will house the highest concentration of advanced lithography systems anywhere on the globe.
System online. The power to dictate the future of computing is officially activated. Massive thermal cooling units keep the systems completely stable under continuous operation. The heart of the chip fortress is beating. South Korea's technological dominance is secured. But this is only half the battle. Just miles away, tech titan Samsung begins its legendary expansion. Backed by 360 trillion won, Samsung is constructing a massive 6-fab supercomplex. The earth trembles as Samsung fast-tracks its infrastructure to dominate the next generation of chip demand. Giant underground chemical vaults are built to safely store the materials required for massive manufacturing output. Absolute geographic precision ensures that these fabs will align perfectly with the shared regional power grid. Samsung's megafabs rise with incredible speed, utilizing advanced prefabricated steel components. Every joint is secured to withstand extreme operational forces and potential environmental impacts. Two tech giants, one unified valley, creating an unstoppable superpower alliance in semiconductor manufacturing. To connect this massive workforce and logistics network, a dedicated railway line is carved through the mountains. The high-speed semiconductor railway will link all critical manufacturing hubs into one lightning-fast network. Heavy labor crews work to ensure transit lines are operational ahead of schedule. Elite tech talent will be transported straight into the heart of the facility via underground transit portals. Next-generation vibration-free transit technology ensures sensitive cargo is protected during transport. Engineering marvels span across valleys, conquering the difficult topography of South Korea. A flawless logistical highway designed to move human and technological capital with maximum efficiency. Every line is electrified, utilizing green energy sources to power the entire regional transport loop. The veins of the megacluster are fully connected. The ultimate industrial ecosystem is completely unified.
Surrounding the megafabs, an entire empire of secondary tech companies begins to take root. Over 900 specialized equipment suppliers and semiconductor startups are moving directly into the cluster.
The domestic supply chain is reinforced, eliminating reliance on foreign component imports.
AI-driven warehouses manage millions of components with zero human error, optimizing delivery speeds.
To house the world's top tech talent, entire cities are built from scratch, right next to the fabs.
The Yongin Idong housing district is transformed into a highly sustainable live, work, play city. Commutes are minimized down to minutes, creating the ultimate high-efficiency lifestyle for engineers. They aren't just building a factory. They are building a brand new civilization for the future of humanity. An attractive, high-tech paradise designed to lure top-tier engineers from across the globe. The complete ecosystem is alive, establishing an unstoppable technological magnet for investment. As the initial fabs prepare for launch, South Korea's grand vision stretches all the way to the year 2047.
Over the next 20 years, this cluster will expand continuously until it controls over half of the global chip market.
This site will dictate the pace of advancement for artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and space exploration.
Every advanced device on Earth will soon rely on a mechanical heart, forged right here in Yongin.
The largest technological fortress ever devised by mankind stands complete, solidifying The operations have officially begun, driving humanity forward into the next era of computing. This is how South Korea built the world's most powerful, highest-density semiconductor megacluster. A masterclass in extreme engineering, a testament to human strength. The future has been written.